Suba nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajalla hanya kesngi habakren bikinong tok kubor ulong baka Sorkar katungi kikenhun tokit halor bon ki jingkeno baper ulong bakim Ailad baka Jingtohkit kan Suki bat kani kadai kadak bakumno ka Sorkar ka Thrang bandon ka Khuid ka Suba ha ki Jingtohkit baper Syuk na kalyang Menteri Rangba ulong baka jingkeno kin don bed hendai ka jingtong yaki kenhun tokit kapen pau baka jingshisha kan sapau ulong balada ka Sorkar kam thungi gini ki kenhun ki patba kin ong ba ka Sorkar ka buri AA Dangshan President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ulong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance latip kum ka Sorkar tokit bat committee.
It's a good thing because what happens is whenever there is a concern, we don't shy away from it. We have allowed the inquiries to take place and inquiry reports all have been placed. We never even allow them to slow down and we push. I think it's a clear example of how this government wants to be transparent. Allegations will always be there. Inquiry is the best way to ensure that a free, fair inquiry takes place and the facts come out. And in all the cases, you've seen that the inquiries have come out. We have placed the facts in front of the people and I think there is nothing to hide. So therefore, if we had not gone for the inquiries and not done this independent inquiries, then I think people would say that they're hiding something. Allegations are made and time and again these inquiries have brought out that these allegations were merely allegations and from our side government has never shied away from being transparent.